What's up, guys? I am that car guy, Tim. This is SNSTR Auto, here with another update on the shop progress. At the time, I was doing some work in there, and I totally forgot to film an intro to explain what's going on. So I'm going to show you just some basic cleaning and moving some stuff around, and yeah. So I will cut to that now. Alright guys, so you can probably notice that I don't have those cabinets here anymore. So the one went to a garage sale, the other one's outside. It fell apart as I was pulling it out, so I'm glad I wasn't looking at keeping that at all. Next step is to move this into that corner. I'm probably going to have to unplug the extension cord that goes to the Yukon at the moment. Unplug it for now, get this into the corner, and then start setting stuff up on it, like putting my grinder and the drill press on there. Well guys, that's probably going to be it. I did get the drill press moved over, the bench moved over, the vise is on there. I don't know if this is going to stay like that. I don't know yet. The bench grinder, I still have this mess to go through and go through parts and get rid of some stuff and store some stuff. And then there's all of that to go through and more general cleaning, and then pull the roof down and change out light fixtures and work on stuff like that. So but that'll be it for today. Another minor update, I do get teeth on the 14th of August, when they go back. They're on holidays next week. I did all the final fitments and everything else. So videos after that, I'll be talking funny again. So I'm talking funny now because I don't have teeth. I'll be talking funny when I get teeth. It's a never-ending battle, honest to God. But you probably saw the shirt, PBL, pure bad luck. Check out the link in the description. Use T01, TO10, not T0, TO10. Save 10%. They're a pretty kick-ass shirt. Super hot, but they're keeping me from getting covered in bug bites and stuff because it's kind of nasty out here. But I'm going to do some more general cleaning. I won't get that on camera because sweeping is boring as shit. So, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next episode where I'll probably be looking at proper storage and going through garbage. I'll be looking at storage for parts that I need to keep and throwing out a bunch of garbage. I've been going through a bunch of stuff, like there's old rusty coffee cans and there's a whole bunch of garbage that's going to be getting pitched. And scrap metal and stuff. But I'm going through that as I'm getting through all that stuff as I go. So, till next time, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.